Hey, people. We're back at it again. California Tile Restoration. We're out here in Sacramento. We're doing these 12 by 12 whitewashed saltillos. And purpose of this particular video is they had a rug here. They put the slip resistant pad here. You can see the pad embedded itself into the sealer. So these are uncleanable, people. There's nothing you're gonna get to clean these out. They have to be stripped, which you don't wanna do. It's expensive, it's a lot of work. You see Justin over there scrubbing his butt off? There's no other way. So now these people, and this is all could have been prevented. So do your homework, get felt pads. Don't use the waffle pads with the rubber. They stick to it. I'm telling you, people, I'm trying to keep you informed. I'm trying to save you money in the long run. I'm trying to prevent you guys from having to do all this stuff. Remember, no rubber, waffle pattern, slip resistant skid pads on top of your coating sealers. Because that's basically the problem. There's like acid in them or something. They're kind of becoming one with the sealers. We're just starting to see this is a real huge problem. I mean big. Not every once in a while, almost every single job we've been doing lately is having these things. So listen, people, I'm just trying to inform you, so stay informed. Do your homework, get felt. I already did the homework actually. They got all different sizes. They'll custom cut them for you. Round ones, oblong. The felt's a better alternative to these slip resistant skid pads here, just because, like I said, you can see what they're doing. It doesn't clean out. Once again, there's no special cleaner that's going to get it out. They have to be stripped, and you don't want to do that. So stay informed, people. I'm going to show you how we get it out, though. You mean, this is how we do it. So this is how it has to be done, people. They're not cleaning. Look at that. See that? And if you look closely, and this is what I wanted to show you. See how it's really stuck in here? See the little green little dots? How they're really like embedded on here? Look at this crap, people. They don't just come right off. Look at that. I gotta like literally scrub the shit out of these things to get them off. They're ruining floors, people. And I mean everywhere. Texas, Florida. Look at them. They're finally coming off. We broke through these little green dots. See that? We're finally breaking through. But this is a lot of work, people. You do not want to do this. As you can see, I finally broke through most of them. And if you look detail-wise, look, there's still a couple. I'm telling you, they embed themselves through the sealer, through the whitewash, into the stain. Or excuse me, the sealer, the stain, and they're in the tile. That's why I have to scrub them out. The acid just becomes one, people. I'm not a chemist. I'm not a fucking rocket scientist. I'm not trying to say that. So whatever it's doing, I don't know why it's doing it, but it's doing it. So stay informed, people. Make sure that you're using them felt pads. But if you look now when I'm done, we got it all out. You can see how nice it looks. You can see all the stuff around it. So what we do now, people, is for this particular project, we're going to clean these real good. We're going to stain them back to a whitewash and seal them. And I'll show you a little bit of that later once we get to that, so you can really see how they turned out. But I promise you, you do not want to do this. I promise. You'd much rather use that money to go get a new purse, or go on vacation, or go watch the Warriors, something. You don't want to waste your money on this, people. Stay informed. You'll thank me later. I'm out. I gotta get some work done.